Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide Instagram DMS. So first, you just have to open your Instagram. As you can see, if you go to your conversation or messenger and tap any specific message here, like you're going to long press, unfortunately, you cannot see any message that can move this to archive or other message and that you can hide this. But here's the thing, you have to follow this method in order for you to hide your DMS here on your Instagram. So go back to your profile, tap these three lines, scroll down, and what you're going to do here is you're going to switch your account to professional account or business account. So what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll down till you see or till we see this account type in tools, switch to professional, just click continue, 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 tap continue. What describes you, you can choose from any of the given category here. And then after that, you have to click creator or business. So choose from any of this here, but I'm gonna click creator and then click next. And then you can also tap this continue or not now. You can set up later if you want. Now you can now go back to your profile, to your Instagram, and then go to your messenger, Instagram messenger to be exact. Now, if you're going to long press or tap any message here, as you can see, you have this move to general, Marcus and read. So that's how you hide your DMS here on Instagram. You have to switch to professional account in order for you to do that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.